Well, hello, everybody. My name is James Wiggins, and I'm excited to share a program that I believe will definitely touch over a million self-employed Americans here in 2024 and going into 2025. So, if you got about 5 minutes, I'm going to share with you a program that potentially could earn you five, six, seven, or maybe even eight figures in your pocket if you really get out there and help the self-employed. So I want to introduce you to Project 1 Million. And our goal is to successfully help 1 million self-employed Americans receive their SETC tax credit. Well, our company, Matador-Advisors, has been established since 2019. We're housed in beautiful Corona, California, where that's our corporate facility. You have the ability as an affiliate, if you're in the vicinity, to utilize the facility. We also have live events there, and we also deal with clients directly in our office. Here's our team. Ms. Laura Matthias, tons of experience in the FFCRA and the tax credit world. Myself, James Wiggins, Latoya Wiggins, COO, and Mr. Chris Gilmore. He is head of our field trainer. And we've just added some more staff because we're growing extremely fast. Well, the core values are very simple: integrity, excellence, collaboration, and innovation. These are the things that we feel, and our pillars that we feel are necessary in order to have a successful venture. Well, who is the target market? The small business sector, the gig worker, the Uber driver, the Lyft driver, the truck driver, the real estate agent. This is the target. If you were affected by COVID in 2020, 2021, which we all were, you earned at least $3,000. You filed a Schedule SC, and you don't owe the IRS. Well, you can actually owe the IRS. Let me correct that. But you made a profit, then you can potentially qualify for up to $32,200. So the small business sector makes up 99% of all U.S. businesses. The product that we're marketing at Matador Advisors is known as the SETC FFCRA tax credit. So it's available for self-employed individuals that may qualify, and you can qualify for actually up to $36,000 plus interest. Or if both are self-employed, you could potentially qualify for up to $72,000. And we have till April 15th, 2025, and this thing is over, guys. So you really want to, tap in if you actually are self-employed and or you want to market this to the self-employed. I want to answer a few questions here. Some of the most common questions: is the SETC refund check taxable? No, the SETC refund is not taxable. It's treated as an overpayment refund, and the interest applied by the IRS is considered income. So no, you don't have to pay taxes on your SETC tax credit. Why is there such a high KYC when you're processing through us and our partners? Very simple. We actually require quite a few things, and that's to be in compliance with the IRS. We want to eliminate fraud, and we got to be in compliance with the bank regulatory requirements from the Treasury Service that we have for the advanced lending. So this includes facial scans, ID verification, geolocation, social security numbers, date of birth, fraud and sanctions list. There's a lot that goes through this to make sure that we are around the duration and we are not doing any fraud. So we want you to know, if that's what you're looking to do, this is definitely not the company for you. And can Anchor process my SET claim without the Treasury Service? Now, what the Treasury Service is we have been able to securitize the actual SETC approval, which allows advanced lending. So we are, and I'll talk a little bit more about that, but we're able to advance on the actual return. Okay, so just very excited. People are excited. People are getting their money in as less as 21 days. Of course, that is the best case scenario at this moment because we are dealing with the IRS. But I'm just telling you, it's very exciting. If I might say so. What is the advanced program? Well, basically, what we have been able to do is we loan and we collateralize your actual tax refund. So that's why we require you to deal with Carter Federal Credit Union, because they are the ones that will send you the money. And if you don't owe the IRS, very simply, there's no credit check. Okay, as long as you don't owe the IRS, and there's a KYC, and a few other little things. You can get, again, you can get your funds in as little as 20 days. Um, let's see, what's another good one? How long does it take for the IRS to complete the standard process? So if you was to have an accountant that knows how to do the amendments, which we realize not many do, it could take well over 20 weeks for you to receive your refund. Okay, so something to keep in mind. Um, let's see here. Should a client have multiple login? No, not a good one. I think it was pretty good. So who qualifies, right? Great question. If you're looking to market or if you're looking to get this, utilize the service, gig workers, again, hairstylists, uh, barbers, eyelash. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. 1099, self-employed, Amazon, Uber driver, Lyft driver, you could qualify. You must again have filed Schedule SC for 2020, 2021. You was affected by COVID. We all were. Upload all your documents, and then we will do all the heavy lifting for you. Okay, the good stuff. What is the fees for the tax credit service? There's zero out of pocket, so there's no risk to you at all. Zero out of pocket. Now, however, 20% of the recovered amount is charged by our trusted partners, and that is charged once your advance is done. So again, it's nothing out of pocket, but here's what we've discovered. Due to prepaid interest, okay, due to the fact that we're talking 2020, 2021, interest has been accrued. So we're seeing clients actually get an additional 25 to 40% more. And that will be another check issue once the IRS actually cuts the physical check. So why would you join a team? Why would you join a team? Why would you market? Why would you get out there and do this? Number one, it's absolutely free. So you don't pay a dime. You're going to get full support, okay? You have a corporate team plus whoever the sub broker that invited you. And again, to be a sub broker, you have to have a lot. There's some requirements necessary to be a sub broker, but that allows you the ability to build a team. We pay weekly. So Matador is in charge of all pay. So we pay weekly, but you have a back office that shows what's going on in your business. You can see everything. So everything is full disclosure, and you can earn 6, 7, 8 figures. And I'm telling you, this thing is getting real crazy. So let's talk about the numbers. How does it work? How do I get paid? Well, let me give you kind of a breakdown. Let's say, for example, the refund is $20,000. Now, with the $20,000, 20% is charged, and of that 20%, that would be $4,000. Well, there is a $5.99 processing fee to the attorneys, accountants. We're sending documents back and forth. We're amending the taxes. So there is work that is being done. Okay, still very well priced. Of that $5.99, you subtract it. So now we're at $3,400. Okay, so the $3,400, 50% goes to gig workers, who we have partnered with, and we're a channel partner, one of very few, and 50% goes to matador-advisors. Now, of that 50%, you, as a referring affiliate, will get paid anywhere from 30 to 50% of that check. So very lucrative for just sending a lead. We have people with 10 deals. We have people with 50 deals. We have people that's really climbing up the ladder. And I'm telling you, we're talking life-changing income. So files 1 through 25 is 30%. So you would earn 30% of that 50% from your first files 1 to 25 that successfully closed. File 26 through 50, 35%. Files 51 through 100, 40%. Files 101 to 200, 45, and files 201 and above, 50%. And again, ladies and gentlemen, you're just sending a lead, you're marketing on your social media. Maybe you're going to, I had a young lady that what she's doing every day, she's hitting 3 to 5 salons and literally getting, 4 to 5 hairstylists a day that is coming into the opportunity, either A, to utilize the product, or B, to market the product. So let me give you a basic commission breakdown, very simple. You introduce these five beautiful individuals to the program, and you can see the check amount. Total check was $6,400. You would earn $876 based on 30%. The total check $4,400. You earn $660, $810, $360, $780, $690, which is $4176. And again, we have quite a few people that have, again, 20, 30, 40, 50 files in their first 6 weeks here, and we are 6 weeks old and counting. We also have added at Matador a service leadership bonus. We want to show you we appreciate you. Okay, so close 10 files in a month, receive a laptop or a $500 bonus. Okay, so it's up to you, laptop or $500 bonus. 50 files in a month, a Louis Vuitton shopping spree, a $3,500 bonus. Close 120 files in a month. I remember in a company I got my first Rolex. Man, this was very exciting. I was very young at that time, but Rolex was like, oh my god. But anyway, close 120 files in a month, receive a Rolex or $7,500 bonus on top of what you have already earned. So what if you had 100 clients, 1,000 clients, 10,000 clients? Well, I'm going to tell you right now, fear will always keep you where you no longer want to be. So it's very simple. Get back with whoever invited you, get your questions answered, and let's get you started. Have a great one. Bye-bye now.